adding 3-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Let us add 252 and 37. Write the given numbers under hundreds, tens and ones. Step 1. Add the ones. 2 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 9 tens. Write 9 under the ones column. Step 2. Add the tens. 5 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 8 tens. Write 8 under the tens column. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 2 hundreds plus 0 hundreds is equal to 2 hundreds. Write 2 under the hundreds column. Thus, 252 plus 37 equals 289. Adding 3-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Let us add 489 and 54. Write the given numbers under hundreds, tens and ones. Step 1. Add the ones. 9 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 13 ones. Regroup 13 ones as 1 10 and 3 ones. Write 3 under the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 carried over plus 8 plus 5 equals 14. Regroup 14 tens as 104 tens. Write 4 under the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 1 carried over plus 4 plus 0 equals 5 hundreds. Write 5 under the hundreds column. Thus, 489 plus 54 equals 543.